In this video, we're going to take a closer look at how you can set up polling and voting campaigns using group texting's built-in poll and vote wizard. So to get things started, let's expand the keywords options and then click on the polling and voting option. We'll be taken to the View My Polls page, and we currently don't have any existing polls, but I can create a new poll by clicking the Create a New Poll link. The first step is going to be either selecting an existing keyword to use for the poll or to set up a new keyword to use for the poll. I'm just going to use my existing keyword, za, and so I'm going to click the Use This Keyword button. After selecting the keyword that I'm going to use for the poll, I'm going to be taken to the page where I can start establishing the options for the poll. So the first thing I'll do is name the poll. And for this poll, I'm actually going to be polling my customers to see what their favorite type of pizza is. So I'm going to name this poll Favorite Pizza. Now, the next step is going to list up to 5 different choices, and these are going to be the actual vote options for people to vote for. So I've typed out the 5 options that I'm allowing my customers to vote for. So they can choose cheese, pepperoni, sausage, veggie, or deluxe. Now, to cast their vote, they'll dial 760-670-3130. The first word in the body of their message should always be the keyword, which is za, and then they'll place a space and then their vote choice. So if they were voting for pepperoni, of course they dial the long code. They'd place za as the first word in the body of the message, and then a space, and then pepperoni, and then send. And then their vote would be cast. So the next thing after choosing the options that you can vote for is going to be choosing the close time of the poll. Now, you can choose to close the poll anytime you like to. You'll simply place the day of the month in the calendar and then use the scroll bars to choose the hour and the minute that you want the poll to close. And I'll just keep it closed on Wednesday, January 2nd at midnight and click done. And then the next step is going to be using the auto reply text to send out an auto reply to the voters. So I'm going to go ahead and compose this message here. Now, instead of the way that sub keywords work, with the poll option, you're going to be sending the same auto reply to everyone who votes. So I've composed the message in that manner. So it's just thanking them for their vote and letting them know when we're going to announce the winners and when the vote closes. So the next option is going to be to select whether I want to text the results to all the voters. And I can choose this, and as soon as the vote closes, then everyone will receive a message detailing the results and the number of people who voted for each option. Now, because my poll is ending at midnight, I don't want to use this option because I don't want to send a message out to my contacts that late. So of course, because they're going to be added to my za group, then I'm going to be able to blast them out a message at a later date. Now, the next option is to allow multiple votes from the same telephone number. So if I want to limit my campaign, my vote, to 1 vote per customer or 1 vote per phone number, I can select this option, and then it's only going to allow each individual phone number to cast 1 vote. I'm not going to enable that now, and then I'm going to create my poll. And here I am back on the View My Polls page where I can see that my favorite pizza poll is listed. It's currently active, which I can edit by clicking on the Edit Settings button. And then I can view the results to date by clicking the Results to Date button. So on the View Your Poll Results page, we're going to see a bar graph that shows us the details and the results of the campaign so far. So you can see that cheese is in the lead with 3 votes, and pepperoni has 2 in second place, followed by sausage, veggie, and deluxe are all tied for third. Now, you can also see a breakdown of the number of contacts that voted for each option. If you're having a lot of votes, of course, this might be very helpful. Below the bar graph display, you can also export a spreadsheet of the poll results, which will give you all the details of the campaign so that you can view that offline as well. So that covers the polling and vote wizard. Be sure to check out the rest of our great videos to show you all the other options with grouptexting.com. Thanks for watching.